So this is what's happening here today. Yeah, we're gonna be configuring these switches. We're gonna be joining the switches from plug to plug. It's like we're gonna be transferring the signal to the cameras outside for the camera surveillance. Here we have our switch, and then here we have our other switch, and then here we have cables, and then this is our WAN cable. This transfer all the signal from the UB40 CPE to the PoE, and then from the PoE, as you can see it's written PoE, from the PoE to the switch, and then it takes this port from here. It's a LAN port, which is like it takes from the signal from here to the cameras. As you can see. Today we're gonna be configuring the signal CNN. This is the cameras, the cable for the cameras everywhere. As you can see, it takes all the signal from here. Go straight.